Good morning, Year 2. Today we are going to be looking at making equal parts. So, our really quick anchor to begin with, what does equal mean? I want you to have a think and write it down, and then I will reveal what equal means. And it is when things are the same size. So if we take the dog is the whole. Which one of these images is part of the dog? So are the sweets part of the dog? Is the triangle part of the dog? Is the lolly part of the dog? Or is it the eye? And we can see that the eye is part of the dog, which is our whole. So in this picture, the fruit basket is the whole image. I want you to see if you can work out which is part of our whole. Is it the beans, the pizza, the cherries, or the pineapple? That's it. It is the cherries, because it is just the cherries that are in our fruit basket. I've got 3 shapes here, and they are split into different parts. This shape is split into 3 equal parts. So I've got one here, and one here. They are equal. So there are 3 equal parts. In this shape, we have got 2 equal parts. And in the circle, there are 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 equal parts. Okay. There's something a bit different about this shape. It doesn't look quite the same. How many equal parts do you think this shape has got? You might want to say 2, because there are 2 parts to this shape, but they are not equal. They are not the same size. So you would say there are 2 unequal parts. Looking at this image of the children first, I have got 3 groups of children, and there are 2 children in each. So there are 3 equal groups. At this point, it doesn't matter that they have got different children in them. It is just the amount of children that matter. The same with the pencil pots. There are 2 pencil pots and 4 pencils in each. So I have got 2 equal groups. Looking at my cookies, so I have got 3 plates, so that must mean I've got 3 equal groups, but I'm going to check just in case. So on this plate I have got 1, 2, 3 cookies. On this plate I have got 1, 2, 3, 4 cookies, and on this plate I've got 1, 2. They are not all the same. So these are unequal. If I wanted to make them equal, I would have to move one of the cookies from the middle plate over to this plate to make it equal, because then there would be 3 cookies on each plate. Going down to the strawberries, let's look. I've got 3 plates again, so I have got 3 groups, but are they equal? On this plate I have got 1, 2, 3 strawberries. I have got 1, 2, 3 strawberries on this plate, and 1, 2, 3 strawberries on this plate. So I have got 3 equal groups. Now you might want to say they are unequal because the strawberries look different on the plates. That doesn't matter as long as the number is the same. So there are bronze, silver, gold and platinum starting points. You will use the starting point you would usually start on at school. Bronze, you have got a sheet with these questions. You've got some ticking questions and just simple answering the questions that are there. Silver, on the silver and gold sheet, you are going to do questions 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. You've got a matching question and some filling in the missing part questions. Gold, you are doing questions 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 on the silver and gold sheet. You have got to really read the questions and you've got to split some of the shapes, you've got to colour and you've got some tick boxes. And platinum, you've got your own sheet and you really need to read the words carefully because some of your questions are about unequal parts. If you've got any questions, just let me or Miss Smith know. Enjoy your lesson.